Got a new key fob for your Dodge Durango with push start? Here's how to program it. This process syncs the fob's RFID chip with your Durango's body control module. First, enter programming mode by inserting a working key into the ignition and cycling it from off to on a specific number of times. Check your owner's manual for the exact number, usually around 8 times within 15 seconds. Then, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob simultaneously for about 4 seconds. Repeat for any additional fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 8. Finally, exit programming mode by cycling the ignition again. Ensure the fob's battery is fresh for best results. This method works for Durango models with push-start ignition. DIY programming can save you money, but be cautious. Mistakes can potentially lock out the BCM, requiring a dealership visit. For security reasons, always program in a low electromagnetic area and use OEM-approved fobs. Avoid aftermarket fobs, as they can have security vulnerabilities. If you encounter issues, the My Stellantis app offers guided steps and troubleshooting. If you're still stuck, a dealer reprogramming is the safest option, typically costing $50 to $100. Some newer models may allow over-the-air updates via the Stellantis app for reprogramming, but this feature isn't universal. Always consult your owner's manual or app for model-specific instructions, as procedures may vary slightly between Durango trims.